Hey everyone, I hope you're having a terrific day. Today I am doing a Temu haul. They got in touch with me and asked me if I would like to do a review and unboxing, and I said yes, because who does not like to shop on Temu? Now, if you have not shopped on Temu before, check out their site, because I'm telling you, you can scroll on there for hours and find a ton of different items on that site. That site has about everything. Plus, if it's your first time shopping on Temu, I have a code for you where you can receive 30% off your first $25 order. So that code I will also have in the description box, but it is afd48338 is my 30% off code. Use that, and at these crazy low prices, you'll get an extra 30% off. So it just amazes me, their prices and the quality. So let's get into the Temu haul. So one of the things I had chosen was this adjustable dish drainer. I like that it's in the color gray, because this wall is actually going to be a light gray. So, and that's retractable like that. I'm like, yes, please. I'm trying to get a little bit of organization in my life. So, and that's another thing. Look how nice. I mean, you can leave it in your sink, or that would not take up that much space to store. And you could actually put items in there if you wanted to. If you hadn't used it for a while, or weren't going to use it for a while, for storage. So that was a big plus for me. Sorry, gotta set that box down. Now, the next thing I picked was, here's a handle to it, if that gives you a clue. This 14-in-1 vegetable slicer. So, this one has the blade here, nice handle up here, and then the bigger blades go here, and they easily pop in and out. And these little ones easily, there's a little place right there for your thumb or finger. Just stick it in there, take it out, and then that pops back into place. Nice and easy. And then it also did come with 2 bigger blades and a bag full of smaller blades. And then an egg separator, plus this cute little basket. So this I do want to try, definitely, because I think I'll like putting the vegetable in here and then just doing that motion, just to slice them. So keep an eye out on shorts if you're interested in how that works, because I'll probably upload a short on that one. And then the other thing is, this is actually the brand Kitchen Ideas. So it does show you on the back, I hope you guys can see this, what every blade is. And like a wavy slicer, 3mm, 4mm, both graters, a coarse cheese grater. So, and it has some directions over here. So I thought that was a nice touch for that. Now for organization, I love this hot pink color. Isn't that pretty? So to help me get organized during my declutter journey, I did find, I don't remember if this is the large or extra large size. I do apologize. I should have written it down when I was shopping. But like I said, I will try to have the links posted to everything that I purchased. But I did find this really big bag. And look at the depth of this. Like, I'm really impressed. And I don't know how they fit it all in that little, well, I shouldn't say little, but like that medium-sized bag. Because I was like, that always impresses me. Because they're not wasting and shipping, but everything arrives fine. It's not broken. But here's the depth of that. And the material is, it's a good material. It's a nice thick material, the plastic the same, and it also has 2 zippers. So you can have the zippers, here's one of them, a little zipper with the handle, so you can have them meet in the middle. And I really wish I would have written prices down, because that was another really good find on there for the price. I was like, you're kidding me. And that did come, of course, in different sizes. They had a really cute hot pink one that stands up more, but it wasn't as wide. So check out your organization one if you're looking for organization. Now, I thought I needed a salt and pepper shaker, but it did not dawn on me till, well, after I got this package. I have a salt grinder, and I probably should just get pepper grinder. But anyways, I did pick this 5-pack of spice holders. They're plastic, which I do like, and, you know, easy screw off lid in case you're one of those ones that you want to put a label on the front and have everything sitting out. And then got the holes for it to come out. So I did pick up a 5-pack of these. We'll see if I use them for spices. I don't really craft a lot, but I don't know. And then for those to sit in, I have this on the oven that sits on the top of your oven for your spices. And I like that in the front, it's actually lower. And back here, it is higher. It's silicone. See if you can see the difference between, here's the back. So this would be easy to clean, and it should stick to the surface nicely since it is silicone. And then I wanted to try one of these. I've seen people haul these. It's the little mini sealing machine. So it does come with directions, but I did see over here that you just open this little compartment and put in batteries. So I want to see how this works, because I'm like, if that will seal a chip bag, I'm all for that. And I think this was like right over, I think this was under $1. So again, can't beat the prices. I found a meat thermometer. I love using meat thermometers when I cook. And I thought this might take batteries. There's directions in there. And what button did it? That one. It might not, I don't know. Because look, it's already turning on, and you just push this button right here. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but I can't read that, what it says there. But I'll check out the directions in this little tube. Kind of play with that. And then I couldn't believe I found this for the price I did. Again, I wish I would have written these down. I do apologize. But a silicone 12-count muffin pan. I like the color of this. I know these are like, I think they're 11 to 12 bucks now in my local big box store. They do have the wire on the top and on the bottom, but these are hard to find just like this. Because I have actually gone looking for just a plain silicone muffin pan. Can't find it. Can only find the $12 one. And I'm like, I'm not spending that for that. So I definitely look forward to using this and giving this a try. And again, very great price on this. Next time I do shop on Temu, I'll have to write down the prices to make sure I do that. Now, my mom has one of these, and I'm like, so when I saw it, I was like, yeah, this is perfect. Now, hers aren't silicone like this, but I like that they are silicone. But it's to place in between your oven and your countertop. So it does have a nice strip right here that sits down between your stove and your counter. So I do like that silicone. It should be easy to clean off, easy to take off and just clean off. So is hers actually, but I did get it in black because that's the color of my stove top. So, and it's the 25-inch long ones, a set of 2. And then I was excited. It's like I said, with age, it's weird what excites you. But they had the bag holders on there. Now this, I had to scroll forward because these were sold out. So I know I'm not the only one who wants these. But for anybody who doesn't know what it is, you just put your plastic bags, one side under this clip, the other side under this clip. It keeps your bag open so you can put food in there to put it in the freezer. And then these fold down. And I was like, so that's great for storage space. They were sold out of the ones at the top. So like I said, if you're looking for something like this, keep scrolling. I don't know if they have different vendors or how this works, but you will find what you're looking for, because I did with this. So, and then I did pick up just one of these little cleaners. I have one of these from them in a different color. So this is, I think this is under 50 cents if I remember correctly. But I just thought, you know what? It's a great idea to have one in one color for cleaning my sink and the area around my sink. And then this one, like if I want to use it on my dishes, and it has the button. These, the last time I looked at the big box store, and that's been months, like 6 months ago, they're like $6 for this little thing. Really? And then the last thing, I did get some liners for my air fryer. It's a 50 count, and I do not remember the price on these. So that's everything I got from Temu. I think I did pretty well for considering what I did get and how many things I did receive for the price. So let me know in the comments if you have shopped on Temu, your favorite things on Temu. I do plan on, we'll see what happens with doing more Temu hauls in the future. I know somebody asked me to do some makeup. That might be something down the road, doing a makeup one. So other than that, I look forward to reading your comments and seeing you on my next video. Y'all have a terrific evening.